Welcome to DJMTV.
My people, I greet you now and I welcome you once again to DJMTV. Make una do well to always follow us, like, share, and subscribe. As it be so, I carry entertainment things again. Can't give una for where una sit down. All of us remember this guy where they call Timini, our popular Nigeria actor, where they act for Africa. He don't act several movies where don't go viral. He don't come out to explain some kind thing where he happened for some few days back, where he can they talk say in a bigger actor. He just say he not mean now to criticize Zubi because people can paint the picture now say in they try talk say in big part Zubi. Say he not try put on like that but people just they try paint and go that angle. I want play on the video, make una hear from the Aussie man how the matter take play. Make una watch this video reach the end.
How you feel it and how you know it. So why do you think you're a bigger actor than Zubi? Sorry, let me lean back. Timmy, what do you think
to do? That's all you know how to do.
Why do you think you're a bigger actor than Zubi?
So the thing about it is that if you watch the show, right, what you first realize is that I wasn't talking about Zubi.
Okay.
I speak my shit every time, everywhere I go. I consider myself the biggest actor. It wasn't about Dan Zubi. It was about bigger than everybody else.
Bagba.
Do you understand?
Baddest.
So Zubi took it personal, which is obvious because he's also an actor that thinks that he's big. At the end of the day, what really matters is that we're all shy feeding our families. But if we now decide to break it down, you know, statistically speaking, in terms of the quality of movies that we shoot, the range of movies that we shoot, the number of movies that we've shot, the box office records, popularity amongst people that
I see that. Oh, by the way, coming for you.
I didn't finish.
You don't start again.
I didn't finish talking. Popularity amongst popularity, you know, amongst people, industry experts and like people that like are actually moving the industry forward, and years of relevance, years of consistency, and all of those things. If we put them together, there is no way that Zubi will score higher than me. 100%. Wow. He might score higher than me in terms of like.
We need to get Zubi to call him. But I said the show never finished. You know what? Maybe we could call Zubi on the show.
Oh God.
We'll probably get his phone number and I'll call him up. That can happen. But the thing, like you said,
but you know what? I'm just gonna say. Obviously, it's banter for the show and it's nice, right? But Zubi is. I'm a very big fan of Zubi. You know, 100%. Like I support his work.
I mean,
on his page, I'm awed by the way that
he's a special guy.
Yeah.
And as an actor, I mean, that guy shoots movies 3 hours, 4 hours stretch, parts 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Yes.
So you know it's not.
And another thing is that what I'm fighting for is actors on the map in general. There's not a lot of us that are actually living like celebrities and living like superstars and making this thing look as glamorous as it should be, because everywhere else in the world is music and acting. You know, before this whole Zubi Timini thing, when last did you hear actors popping, disturbing social media for a number of days, 5, 6 days? That's what I'm trying to just change. I just need people to remember that. You know, Zubi has that star power. Most definitely, you can't take that away from him. And you know, there's places he will go that you know they'll show.
And I think just to piggyback off of him, I think it's very important people also understand it was banter, right? Just saying, which is also part of what the show is about, right? You saw them literally, if the next scene at the basketball game, chilling with each other and laughing. It's not that deep. Right.
If you went to
people might think it's that deep, or people might want to make it that deep.
I don't know how it was a uni for you, but if you went to uni, when I'm with my boys, that's the deadliest times of whining. You understand? Like that's what a boys trip is about. We don't stay and say, "Oh my God, you look pretty." Oh my God, you know your hair.
We have to enter each other.
They enter each other steady. Sometimes
I don't watch the video. Wait till I think concerning this matter when this guy talks. So the guy makes sense. So I mean, not make sense. Drop on a comment for comment section, like and share this video. Until we see again. For another news, do well to stay safe. Unado. DJ